You've got 3 net 30 vendors reporting on your business credit. Congrats. But if you apply for Tier 2 vendors like Chevron or Home Depot too soon, you'll get denied. Or worse, trigger a personal guarantee. I'm Sherrie Sfields, and today I'll show you the exact Tier 2 fleet cards and retail accounts I've gotten for clients. No PG, but only after they hit these 3 credit milestones. Tier 2 vendors like Chevron, Shell, and Lowe's offer higher credit limits, $5,000 to $10,000, and better terms than net 30s. They're gatekeepers to Tier 1, bank cards, Amex. But they require proof your business credit is strong enough. Here's how to qualify. Do not apply until you have 2 to 3 net 30s reporting to Experian, which are done in Bradstreet. I showed you my vetted 3 in the last video. A Paydex score of 80 plus proves you pay early, on time. No SSN on applications. Use only your EIN. Never give personal info unless forced for verification. For clients who met the criteria, these approved Tier 2 accounts without personal guarantees. Fleet cards, Shell, Chevron, Conoco, Sunoco, critical for gas and transportation businesses. Retail, Home Depot, Lowe's Floor and Decor for contractors, flippers. Wholesale, Sam's Business, bulky inventory purchases. Applying too early hurts your score. These vendors do hard pulls. If you're not at 2 to 3 trade lines plus 80 Paydex, stick with Tier 1 net 30s. Check my last video if you need those starter vendors. Ready to apply? I've linked direct applications in the description. Use my links. They're pre-vetted for no PG approvals. Visit sfieldsgroup.com for my Tier 2 credit roadmap with exact application timelines.